Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a landing page on Gohighlevel. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log into your dashboard, come here, click on funnels, and then click on new funnel. I'll actually show you why we're doing this. You can either do one from a blank or you can use the templates. So come here, use the template library and pick out any template you would like. And what we are going to do, we're going to use this one right here. And we'll only be using the landing page instead of the entire funnel. I'll show you how. Click here on continue. And it's adding this template. Just give it a while. And there you go. Now, what you can first do is make any changes you want to your landing page in this funnel. And once you're done, just go ahead and save it and then go hit back. And now what I want you to do here on the funnel steps, I want you to choose each of these ones. We'll only leave the front page, okay, the landing page. Then the other ones, I want you to click on them and then click on delete funnel step and just confirm it by typing delete. And then click here on delete and delete all of them. And then you would have, as you can see, only the landing page. Really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.